Well, where are we at?
We're at Boulder Ridge Lodge, baby.
This is Boulder Ridge Villas.
I meant that.
Alright, show us around. Hang on, let's look in this
Okay. That is a closet you can hide in.
nice closet. Okay, hide in that closet.
I'll show you. This is the living room, and this is Tillman and Mom.
Nice kitchen, nice painting.
It's a very nice tomato.
And this can fold down into.
Hold on, you gotta wait.
Yeah,
He's showing off the kitchen.
showing the kitchen. It's nice. Now it's an accessible room, so everything's low.
And now you can fold this bed down into a bed.
Yep, that can be folded down.
And-
Oh, what's this right here?
And that's Hidden Mickey's, and we got our own Alexa.
Yep, that's a Hey Mickey.
Hey, Mickey. Check out the curtains. We have
It's pretty cool.
hidden Pluto and Mickey.
Good.
Got some hidden Mickeys
Nice.
here.
Do you want to come see our,
Yep.
you guys' room?
There's the balcony.
Yeah. Then we have
Hey
this.
Disney, start the magic.
Oh, they're doing that. Okay.
Sadie, you're gonna continue the tour.
Tillman or someone.
So we got our
She gave up on it.
Sadie, I can't
nope.
see.
So washer, dryer. And then we got the one bathroom with the shower here that you can roll in because this is an accessible room. And then we've got the main bathroom. Well, this just connects to it.
Next to it. I don't know.
And here's the huge tub.
Got a closet right here.
Oh, look at the painting over that. That's cool.
Closet.
Pretty big closet.
Hair
Hair dryer. Mirrors. That's pretty nice. Then the main bedroom, the one bedroom.
There's Chip and Dale on the pillow.
Pretty awesome.
Beautiful view.
Another nice mirror here.
Lake Elias, you know. Walter Elias Disney.
Pretty cool. There's Geyser Point.
Did you get the Mickey on the bed?
I did. And this is the view. This is more of just a woods view. Overall, pretty nice. See you later.